Highlevel is a platform that provides marketing, sales, and customer service tools to help agencies manage client campaigns and communications from a single interface. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Highlevel's affiliate program and how much you can earn if you become an affiliate. I've included a link to try Highlevel in the description of this video so you can check it out. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how much money I made as an affiliate from a different software where I have very few views on videos that I made on this channel. And if you are serious about affiliate marketing, I'm also going to recommend the best training for beginners. Now let's talk about Highlevel's affiliate program. So Highlevel actually has an amazing affiliate program. They're actually giving away electric vehicles right now to their top affiliates. And you can see that as of April 2024, they've paid over $52 million to their affiliates and counting. Highlevel is paying 40% commission across all their products. They've got a few different subscriptions. You can choose between starter and unlimited. So if someone signs up, for example, under you for the starter plan, then you're going to be making almost $40 every single month for as long as they stay subscribed. So you can imagine if you have hundreds or even thousands of people subscribing to Highlevel through your affiliate link, you can make more than a full-time income. Now let me show you how much I made as an affiliate from a different affiliate program with very few views. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.